So, do you want to know, is the GoPro Hero 10 a viable choice for you and a good replacement for the 9? Stick around, I'll help you find out. I'm going to go over the GoPro Hero 10 in a nutshell. Let's do it. Hey, it's me, Steve WB. Welcome back to my channel. And today we're going to be talking, of course, about the GoPro Hero 10 in a nutshell. And I'm going to just make this quick fire. Let's go over the good stuff, starting now. Okay, the first thing is there's a new color profile that GoPro hasn't had before. They've had GoPro color before and they've had flat. Now they've added natural. Now the 3 color profiles are vibrant, natural, and flat. So it's really nice to have a more muted but not quite flat color profile. So that's a plus. As far as resolution goes, it has the same resolution as in 5.3K as a Hero 9. With that being said, all the frame rates have doubled, so you can shoot twice as fast. So now you can do 5.3K at 60, 4K at 120, and you can do 2.7K at 240 frames a second, which is pretty insane for such a small camera. The touchscreen has been much improved. It's reliable, it works well, it moves fast. They have definitely stepped up the game and improved the touchscreen. It has a new feature called Schedule Capture. So if you wanted to record sunrises, sunsets, spy on somebody in your house, you can actually set the date and time that you want the camera to turn on and off, and it will automatically do so, which is a really cool added feature. And now, as we've said, of course, that you can shoot double frame rates as you could with the Hero 9. That's because they put basically a Hero 9 with a new processor, which is the GP2 processor. Works twice as fast as the Hero 9 processor. And not only does that allow you to shoot and double the frame rates, so far, and I've shot 5 or 6 videos with this thing every single day, I have not had this thing freeze, lock up once. I have not had to remove the battery to reset it, and I have not lost a single file, which is groundbreaking for GoPro. And another positive of the 10 is this is a media mod for the GoPro 9. As you can see where I'm going with this, but all the GoPro 9 accessories, including the max mod lens, will work on the 10. So you don't have to rebuy all that stuff, which is super nice. So all your cases, all your attachments, anything you bought for the 9, batteries included, will work for the 10. Another big plus. Now let's touch on some of the not so good. One is overheating. And if you watch air photography like me, he likes to do the heating test with these. He did a test, the 9 versus the 10, but he had them both shooting in their highest resolution. And I'm gonna check my notes on this, but this ran 21 minutes before it overheated, and the GoPro 9 ran 38 minutes, which was twice as long, but this was shooting at twice the frame rate. So then he redid the test and he did it in 4K. 60 on both cameras, in which this camera ran for 26 minutes and the Hero 9 ran for 29 minutes. So only a 3-minute difference. So basically, if you shoot double the frame rate, you're going to get half the runtime before it overheats. It's still the same as the Hero 9 if you use the same settings that the Hero 9 is capable of. Okay, so just to review real quick, the pluses are new color profile, double frame rates, better touchscreen, faster processor. Downside, it overheats faster when you shoot in the double frame rates. Me, personally, when I use a GoPro, I never shoot more than 5 or 6 minutes at a time, tops. So I have no problems with the overheating. But if you're, using it for like a long distance trail ride or something, you might have those issues. Well, I hope this video helps you out and discern the difference between the 9 and 10 and whether you should upgrade to a 10. I'm Steve WB, and I'm out.